Hello class. So in this activity I wanted to show you how to get through Green Table Set 5. So what we're going to do on this one is actually going to be a hands-on activity. I'm just going to show you a picture of what it looks like, but you should see these on the table around you. There will be a paper that's called US Map Locating Key Features. So you'll have that actual paper. You should have some crayons or colored pencils there with you. So what you want to do is you want to follow these instructions. Draw a star on the map above where Austin is located and label it in Austin. If you do not know, you can talk to your table mates, your partners in your group. You can have discussions. You can do searches on Google if you want to look it up and see if you can find it. But you need to actually draw this information on the paper that is on your table. Make sure you put your name on the paper to get credit for it. Once you have completed this, you will go back to your Green Table Set 5 station and you will click on Map Exit Ticket. You will click on that link and it will take you into the quiz, the exit ticket that looks like this. So basically how you do this one is you grab and drag the label with your mouse, hold down the mouse button, and you drag it into the box where you think it belongs. So you click it, drag it, hold the mouse button down, and drop it where you think that it belongs. And then you will submit when you're done. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.